Welcome to Insight Expert. It's Champions League week. Jonathan, on Tuesday, which game are you going to watch?
Well, I think the best game on Tuesday, Liana, is Napoli against Bayern Munich. This is a really difficult game, actually, for Bayern Munich. Probably their toughest. Absolutely. Napoli have been the surprise package in this year's Serie A. They really are a fantastic side. Seriously underrated. And the odds for this game, Napoli 360, the draw 330, and Bayern Munich 205. The only thing that puts me off backing Napoli here is the fact they're playing Bayern Munich. And when you look at the results so far in this group, it does suggest that, because Napoli have beaten Villarreal 2-0 at home and they drew 1-1 away at Manchester City. They're very, very good results, especially that draw at Manchester City. But then on the other hand, you've got Bayern Munich, who comprehensively beat Manchester City 2-0 in a canter. And they then managed to also beat Villarreal 2-0 away. So the form is with Bayern Munich. Definitely the form lines would suggest a Bayern Munich victory. But I think this is a tough game. And personally, I think the Germans will be happy to go to Naples and get a draw.
Good. Then on Wednesday, there's going to be another set of matches. Which is the best game?
Yeah, well, I think personally the best game is Marseille against Arsenal.
The French team against the English team.
Against the English team, indeed. And Marseille are 230, the draw's 325, and Arsenal are 305. And again, if you look strictly at the form lines here, Marseille's is superior form. They've beaten Olympiacos away 1-0. Whereas Arsenal struggled, frankly, to a 2-1 victory at the Emirates against Olympiacos. And then Marseille thumped Dortmund 3-0 at home, and Arsenal managed a 1-1 draw away at Dortmund. So frankly, the form line again is very much with Marseille in this game, and I think this will be quite a straightforward victory for them.
Good. What are your best odds for these two games, Jonathan?
Well, the best bets for me are in the Napoli-Bayern Munich game. I would definitely be looking at under 2.5 goals here at 185. I just think this will be a tight game. As I said, I think the Germans will be happy to go to Naples and come away with a draw. And then on the Wednesday, I really cannot see beyond Marseille at 230 against Arsenal. I haven't been impressed with Arsenal this year. Their defence is very weak, and Marseille have looked really impressive. So Marseille at 230 for me on Wednesday.
Jonathan, thanks for this information. Thanks for viewing. See you next time, and good luck.